So, a girl having PCOD might not face hormone imbalances, but a girl having PCOS will face hormonal imbalance. She will have metabolic conditions. So, these are the extra symptoms to your normal symptoms, which makes PCOD as PCOS. Hey guys, welcome to this little safe corner of the internet. I am Sargam Tandon, and if you have watched my previous videos, then welcome back to this channel. And if you're new, then welcome to Sargam Tandon with a smile. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional, not an expert, just a girl who is trying to understand what is happening to my body and also helping other girlies who feel the same. So yeah, I have tried to simplify some really complex and scientific terminologies in this video. I hope you guys like it. Now let's get into the video. So to understand these conditions, it is very important to understand the literal meaning of them. So PCOD, it is polycystic ovarian disease or disorder. And then we have PCOS, it is polycystic ovarian syndrome. The common link between them is PCO. So basically poly means multiple, many, या फिर बहुत सारा. Cystic means small fluid-filled structures in your ovaries. And ovaries are your reproductive organs. But here's the important part, that the cysts I mentioned, these are not harmful cysts. These are immature follicles which contains your egg. So normally what happens, one follicle, it grows, it matures, it releases the egg during ovulation. But in PCOS or PCOD, a girl starts developing multiple follicles and then none of them matures properly, and then it leads to irregular periods, and further it increases the symptoms of PCOS and PCOD. So that is the reason when you get your ultrasounds done or your scans done and the report shows that you have immature follicles. So these tiny sacs are your immature follicles. Now, if we talk about the difference. So PCOD is basically the disruption of your ovulation process. But जब हम PCOS की बात करते हैं, so PCOS is a more broad hormonal and metabolic condition. मैंने 2 words यूज करे हैं, मेटाबॉलिक और हॉर्मोन्स. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड ये क्या है. हॉर्मोन्स बेसिकली आपके हो गए केमिकल सिग्नल्स इन योर बॉडी, जिससे कि आपकी बॉडी कम्युनिकेट करती है. सो आज मेरे बाल कैसे लगेंगे, या फिर मेरा चेहरा कैसे लगेगा, मेरे पीरियड्स कब आएंगे, ये सारी जो चीजें होती है ये आपके एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स केमिकल सिग्नल्स देते हैं, जिनको हम हॉर्मोन्स कहते हैं, उनके थ्रू कम्युनिकेट होता है. और रही बात मेटाबॉलिज्म की, तो मेटाबॉलिज्म इज बेसिकली हाउ द एनर्जी इज बीइंग यूटिलाइज्ड फ्रॉम द फूड यू ईट. अगर तो वो यूटिलाइज हो रही है तो इट्स वेल एंड गुड, बट अगर वो एनर्जी आपकी बॉडी में एज अ फैट की तरह स्टोर हो रही है, then that's the condition which causes your PCOS. So basically, PCOS is your ovarian issues plus your metabolic conditions plus your hormonal imbalances. Now, hormone imbalances की वजह से आपका insulin resistance हो सकता है, androgen levels बढ़ सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. So, a girl having PCOD might not face hormone imbalances, but a girl having PCOS will face hormonal imbalance. She will have metabolic conditions. So, these are the extra symptoms to your normal symptoms, which makes PCOD as PCOS. That's why it is known as syndrome. It literally means that a group of symptoms. But in terms of these conditions, it is your additional symptoms. And trust me, मैं अभी एक WHO की रिपोर्ट पढ़ रही थी. 70% of the women worldwide, they don't know that they are having PCOS. And in India, 1 in 5 women, they suffer from either PCOS or PCOD. So it's very common. It's very common, it's okay. कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है कि हे भगवान ये क्या हो गया, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just that आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा केयर करना पड़ेगा अपनी बॉडी का, because it is manageable. So stay positive, stay happy, it's okay, कोई गल नहीं है, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.